Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing to us, just as a reminder and also to focus on one of the companies that in the industry, which we have identified that was going to give us this generational wealth. That will help us to build this generational wealth. I'm talking about, in the sector of cannabis. Remember, we have identified 3 sectors that we believe will help us to build our generational wealth. We have identified the crypto, we have identified the EV, electric vehicle, and also the cannabis. That the cannabis industry is going to help us to build this generational wealth. I mean, those sectors, they are all happens to be a new company, new sector, new industry, and I believe that it will help us to build this generational wealth if we position ourselves early. Remember, the strategy is for us to get early to the party, to get in early, to position ourselves early in the party. So that when by the time everybody start coming in, we already take one of the best seats in the house. That is the strategy. We are not doing anything that hasn't been done before. It's just the way those that have done it have done it. And that is what we are mimicking. We are following the same steps. So today I am bringing to us Canopy Growth. Canopy Growth. So this company, of course, is one of the cannabis company that has the potential of helping us getting to our goal. Lately, something is kind of going on. Something is kind of going on in the sector as a whole, and also in as in particular about Canopy Growth. Okay, so in the last four trading days, we have seen a drastic upward trend in Canopy Growth. We have seen that almost like 30% daily growth in about 2 days of 2 of the trading days. So why does that happen? It happened for a reason. It happened because the Canopy Growth as a partner with a Constellation brand. This is a beverage company. So this Constellation brand agreed to partner with Canopy Growth to help them in the cash flow and also to help them to carry their brand. People, analysts see this as a great move, and which will possibly give Canopy Growth the possibility to go back to the old high. So that's number one. Then number two, Germany now kind of legalize cannabis. So they've classified cannabis as non-narcotic substance. So which is going to be coming in April 1st, 2024, which is just some days from now. So those two agents and those 2 actions, help Canopy Growth to shoot up. I mean, this is amazing when you see, a stock going up, that much in one day. But let me just show us this. Maybe this will kind of help us to kind of get the idea of what I've been saying about these 3 sectors. It's a new sector. So if we position, we're already in there, already start this year in it, we will be glad that we make this decision one day. So let me just show us what I'm talking about, or what the movement in the last 3, 4, 5 trading days. So if we look at cannabis, right now is 863. Canopy Growth in the last 5 days has gone up 83%. Look at that. Can we see that? In the last 5 days, it has gone up 83.63%. Just because of those 2 news, those events that happened, right? It went up. So if we look at a month, it's gone up 162%. What about if you look at 6 months? It has gone up 10%. When in the last 6 months, let's look at the year to date. Year to date, it has gone up 82%. Now let's look at the maximum, the all high for Canopy Growth. So if you look at the all high for Canopy Growth, we can let's put it right here. So if you look at it right now, it is It is $498. $498. So it has gone down 72%. 72% since then. If you look at this company that was once, $486. $486. With the new event, with the new partnership, with the new acceptance of cannabis as a product, by classifying it as non-narcotic, I mean, gradually it seems like all over the world is coming in. Even in the United States, the vice president just talked about cannabis, just this past week, about how they should reclassify it, for recreational use or for medicine or prescription. Okay. So the trend is moving. The trend is moving. And that is why I identify it as an opportunity. Now, if you look at it right now, $8.63. $8.63. I mean, look at the all high for $86. So $486. So we still have enormous room to go to the all high. And who said it's going to stop right there? Because now the environment, the partnership, the understanding, the acceptance of this product has changed. So if it was once, $486 and there wasn't acceptance of this product then, and now there's a movement going on of the acceptance of cannabis as a non-narcotic, substance, as pharmaceutical prescription. So do you think 486 will be the high of this in the next 10 years? I'm just saying, I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody knows tomorrow. But based on the data and based on the fundamentals that we see, it seems like it might not be. It might go even higher than that. Let's just go one more time. Cannabis stock hit up again ahead of the German rollout. Like I said, it's going to be on the April 1st, which is a couple of days from now. The cannabis stocks are on the rise today ahead of German decriminalization date set for next Monday, April 1st. Okay. A number of major marijuana makers have sought since German parliament passed legislation officially classifying cannabis as a non-narcotic. Okay. Canopy Growth is leading the bunch with CGC stock up more than 50% year to date. 50% year to date. I mean, I'm just bringing this to us for us to see what I've been talking about on this channel. I mean, I cannot tell you what to do. I'm only trying to empower us, to empower ourselves in order for us to see the light in the area that I see as opportunity. And that is why I want you guys to kind of, comment on this video and also express your own mind. This is my own opinion. Every one of us have our own opinion. And I'm quite sure you have your own opinion. I would like to know what your opinion is on Canopy Growth, on cannabis, as a sector as a whole. What do you think about it? If this is your first time of watching one of our videos, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. I would like you to share this video and also to comment on this video. Hit like on this video. So that will help me to continue to put out more content of such, and also it will help others to kind of see this video. It will make this video kind of relevant, and that is why I'm requesting from you right now to hit like. So let's just go one more thing, and I will just wrap it up right there, because I believe we can all do our own research and see what I'm really talking about. Canopy Growth stock could retest high after Constellation Brand deal. The partnership that I was talking about earlier. Okay, this partnership, after this partnership, they're saying it might reach the all-time high. Okay, and the all-time high as we see it was $486. Okay, $486. So right now it is $8. $486. I mean, they just saying it could be, it still could be, because if everything, goes in place as it is, it will be there. Canopy Growth Corporation share rose 30%, Wednesday after the company, right? And he said the analysts have been bullish. Okay, I want you to kind of pay attention to that. If the institution buyers and the analysts is coming up with their own projection, they have the resources to kind of do it, and they have everything within their network to be able to kind of project. That don't mean it's going to come as they said it, but the chances of it is there. So I want you to pay attention to this. When it says this, analysts have been bullish on Canopy Growth stocks following the move. Okay, Canaccord upgraded the stock to a speculative buy from hold with a $50 price target, $50 price target, representing 20% upward from Wednesday closing price. Several other cannabis companies also received a boost, including Peter-tailed back Tilray Incorporation, which received a boost from Citron Research for $45 price target. So we are talking now about $50 target, about $45 target. And we are still right here. Tilray that was given $45 target, Tilray is still $2.34, and it was given $45. And CGC, which is Canopy Growth, was given $50 target, and it's now $8. So if we look at things, we can kind of get idea of what could be coming, and we can now position ourselves towards it. And the last thing is for us to look at the expectation of the same moderate sale, and the projection is supposed to be like 370, 377, but actually right now at this moment it is now already 863. See, sometimes because when it comes to trading, when it comes to investment, the sentiment, the psychology behind actions of people, sometimes it put aside the fundamentals. Okay, just because people have the speculation and the expectation, they're ready to go in and scoop the shares out, and that is what I'm talking about. We positioning ourselves to make sure that we take a rise with the price of the stock. This is what I'm just saying. Okay. So let me hear your comment. If anything is, if you have anything to add to it or to take away from it, let me hear in the comments. Share this video, like it, and subscribe to this channel if this is your first time of watching one of our videos. Thank you very much. Until I see you in the next video, have a wonderful day.